Hi everyone. Instead, you will learn how to create a horizontal dotted line in HTML and CSS. By the end of the video, you will have this sort of output. You can see I got a horizontal dotted line here and it's in orange color. This is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we only need one element, that is HR. Save it. Now create a style sheet here, style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select HR element. Margin will be 100 pixel and auto. Width will be 50%. Border will be none. Border top will be 10 pixel, dotted orange. So that's all what you need to create a horizontal dotted line. Now just save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. And that's the output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.